All right, guys, I got a new toy. Look at this. It's a point of view camera. It's a mouth cam. I know it looks ridiculous, but let me know if you can notice where it is in the video. Welcome back, Chronicles crew. For those that are not familiar with our channel, we are a family travel vlog. We love to go to different places, give tips, and let you guys see what other places you guys can visit also. We are at Jonamac Orchard, and we are gonna go apple picking. So welcome to our fall edition. So we went pumpkin picking last week. Today is gonna be apples. We're pretty excited. Let's go. So we're here today as a recommendation from Alex S. So thank you, Alex. Jonamac Farms, 3 generations of owners that's been here. There's 105 acres here and 20,000 apple trees. It's a lot of apples. So Gerald MacArthur was the founder of Jonamac. The MacArthurs and the Johnsons were 2 family owners. So if you combine the 2 names, you'll get Jonamac. Right now it's only me and Rosalie. Since Melissa's not feeling good, she'll be so jealous because there's goats here. Look at this. So who is this recurring character? This is my sister Eiffel. Yeah, you heard right. Her name is Eiffel.
Just like the tower.
You said jump. When you come here, you gotta get one of these apple donuts. Rosalie loves these.
We've come here 3 times, and this is our go-to place for apple picking. Never super crowded, and it's affordable.
We're planning to go apple picking, but we have an issue.
Mom is lost in the shopping center.
Rosie and I are about to go into the apple orchard.
Apple.
What is that?
Apple.
Yeah, apple. All right, let's see what we can pick here today. All right, you can get the Brayburn, the Fuji, Golden Delicious, Ida Red, and Jonah Gold. You can even try them out.
This is, you try them so we know which kind we want to go get. I like red apples.
I like it.
Tastes like an apple.
You want to try it? You know which one you want?
After the pumpkin picking video, you know, everyone said that outside the United States, not as many people had those kind of festivals. So when I was growing up, you know, we didn't really go to pumpkin patches, but what we did go to was these apple picking. My parents love apple picking, so I was really excited when we decided to come up here so little Rosalie can get this experience. It's the first time. There's a Filipino on a tree. That's my dad. Dad, there's not the Philippines anymore. You can get down from the tree. We can go to the store and just get it. So there's my mom and dad. So we say grandma and Lolo. You know, a lot of Filipino grandpas are called Lolos. So she likes to go by that. How's the apple?
Good. Delicious Fuji apple.
What do you like to get, Dad?
I got all Fuji apple.
Look, we have Grace. She's one of our biggest fans. If I see like 20 views at one time, it's from this girl. Thank you very much for being a great viewer. Now with our channel, thank you for our Patreon for helping us grow. If you're interested to be a Patreon, also get some postcards. Look at the link down below. And I want to say thank you to a few businesses that's featured our channel, such as the Arboretum of South Barrington, the Cow Chip Throwing Festival, Heritage Fest. Now thank you for your support and reposting our videos on your Facebook page. All right guys, I got a new toy. Look at this. It's a point of view camera. It's a mouth cam. I know it looks ridiculous, but let me know if you can notice where it is in the video. I just want to wish everybody a happy Halloween and have a safe one out there. All right, what a blast we had here. Apple picking, Rosalie's first time. I think we had a great time. Mama said to bring some so she can cook, and we're happy to eat. So again, it's such a fun place, lots of stuff for kids. So definitely recommend it. Come on down.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive our new videos. Till our next journey. Bye!